So Matt's got a nice fire going. I brought some deer steaks out from Colorado. We're out in the desert, Arizona right now. I'm going to show you how to cook these steaks over a hot rock in the fire. I know you can't see it, but there's a flat rock in the fire. It's been sitting in those hot coals all day long, so it's scorching hot. Good. You want that rock hot enough so when you put some water on it, it'll dance on it just like a frying pan.
For me on a Saturday night after about 5 beers.
Once that wood burns down a little bit, we'll throw some steaks on there, and those steaks should sizzle and sear it to trap in all the juicy goodness. He's clearing off that rock. I'll put our steaks on here. Like I said, that rock's been sitting in there all day under a pretty warm fire. It's pretty hot. You don't necessarily even have to have a hot rock. You could throw those steaks directly on them hot coals and it'll cook it there. But we're gonna get fancy.
Yeah, and eat good.
And eat good.
Jab.
Yeah, you want me to throw them on there?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Hopefully that rock's hot. There's steaks. Is that a bone in there?
Yeah.
All right. If you want, you can always take that bone out and throw it in the...
Yeah.
Those dogs are going to be licking that dirt
go ahead.
forever.
Hopefully that rock's hot enough. Hot enough. Probably one more package of that.
Got it?
Okay. You gonna throw one right on the coals?
Good.
Yeah, move one of those sticks out of the way and put it right there.
Let's put one on top of the Dutch oven.
Yeah, I don't know how clean the top of that is. There you go. We'll cook up some steaks. We got another package of them still, but we'll wait till those are done and throw that on there.
Black pepper. And salt. All right. Hot. Who'd have thunk it? Let me get a good sear on that.
Not bad. You know, fork.
Hope the smoke wasn't in my face. No.
Only hurts till the pain goes away.
Yep.
Hey, Matt. Why are you crying, dude?
I'm crying from the smoke, I swear.
Look at those.
Many people out.
Those are good.
Growling, mooing.
Cut it off, slapping on the ass. and
Garrett go.
He's down getting layered up since the sun's going down here soon. You think we flip that rock, or you think it's
Probably still hot enough.
Probably just use the same size.
I'm gonna go get a bowl
Yeah.
or something.
It's gonna take a while for that stew.
Okay, I got time then.
You know,
We're gonna stew for dessert, right?
yeah.
Dude, tomorrow's shelter, right?
Hot. Yeah, we're gonna go on that hike.
Excellent.
Messing up my sear already.
I know. I didn't think I was gonna flip like that. My bad.
Well done on that. So
Was it?
Yep. Stuff cooks fast, man.
You done? And that's my Neanderthal.
Two done.
Two done. Wow, yeah, it is.
Get
Overcooked.
that one. That one's rare.
Yeah, that one right there is nice and rare. I bet you it's not that done in the center.
Maybe not. We'll see.
Got a knife? Let's cut into that. Be like a human.
He doesn't have anything to be human.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
See what one of these other ones is like.
That's the one that was directly on the coals. It's probably well done too.
This one?
That one.
That one?
Just touch them all.
I
Touch
did.
every one of them.
I did.
Yeah, if you lick each one.
Put my fingers on everything.
Is it good?
That's terrible. You won't want to eat it.
We'll save you the trouble.
Yeah, I'll eat it for you.
Someone, go lay down.
I'll just take care of it.
Look,
Look
that's
at
like,
that.
That's like
That's
perfect.
perfect.
Little pink. And those weren't on there for what? 3 minutes maybe?
Something like that.
Not much.
Thin steaks cook quick.
You gonna eat one?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Waiting for it to cool down?
Mm.
Thank you to the chef. Thank you to the provider.
Yes.
Appreciate it, Jason. Treating us.
What do you think? Best thing you ate today?
It's all right.
Somewhere too. Well,
Bon appetit.
I don't remember.
I don't know if there's gonna be any left for Garrett. He better hurry.
Mmm. Mmm. That's good. Mmm, nom.
you guys want to get a meat eating selfie?
So that's it. That's how you cook a deer or steaks over a campfire without a cooking pot or a pan or anything like that. Just throw it on the hot rocks. Hopefully you learned something. I'll see you again next time.